Production processes are becoming ever more complex, demands on quality management ever more exacting. In addition to externally certified quality management standards such as ISO 9001 and those set by the Automotive Industry Action Group, many leading companies are using in-house quality assurance techniques that can be implemented alongside standard procedures. One of the main methods explicitly demanded by some OEMs from their suppliers is eLPA. eLPA stands for Layered Process Audit. Basically, it's a series of easily conducted audits carried out with the aid of checklists. The audits follow a predefined schedule and involve various levels of management, known as layers. Differing degrees of experience and the diverging points of view resulting from this produce a multifaceted picture of the production process. Non-conformances are quickly recognized and corrective action can be taken. There's also the potential for optimizing processes. For eLPA to function, it must be implemented and monitored on a regular basis. That's difficult to achieve using questionnaires, which have to be filled out manually and evaluated. In addition, there's an enormous administrative burden as far as planning and tracking deadlines are concerned. But now, there's a solution. eLPA, the user-friendly audit management tool from the SCIIL company. The software handles all the routine tasks. The use of the latest recording devices, such as tablet PCs, improves not only data quality, but also acceptance by employees. It's just fun to work with. If the auditor notices a non-conformance, he marks the question on the checklist as not OK and adds his comments. He can document it with a photo taken with the tablet and upload it to the eLPA databank. If the problem can be corrected relatively easily, he touches the Just Do It box, green, in other words, corrected. Should the non-conformance reoccur at the same spot, it'll be automatically recorded and show up in the statistics. In the case of a more serious problem requiring a discussion, it's recorded so that a solution can be found later with the whole team and the box marked NOK. The auditor works through the complete sequence of questions. If there's no objection to a question, the box is immediately marked as OK. It's easy to take the tablet with me to the workstation. The interface is really user-friendly and guides you through the program. As far as I'm concerned, it's trouble-free. All the recorded data are transmitted to a central server via Wi-Fi. If no network is currently available, the data is first saved locally. As soon as a network connection has been established, the data is automatically passed to the server. The system automatically monitors that audits are conducted correctly and documents their status. If a planned audit is missed or only partially conducted, a reminder is automatically sent to the supervisor. All documented non-conformances can be easily called up at any time, for instance during team meetings, to find solutions to problems or in order to complete the data. It's possible to specify short and long-term measures and monitor their status. All findings are automatically documented and the member of staff responsible is informed by email. Security takes top priority, An open question cannot be closed by the creator of the report, but only by a higher-ranking layer. The software provides powerful tools for detailed analyses. For instance, the real-time status of every workstation can be called up. All data can be filtered, sorted, and presented graphically. In doing so, the data can be automated and made available for various different applications. For example, for shop floor management. Via monitors installed in the production line, supervisors can call up any relevant information they require in real time. At the individual workstations, monitors clearly show selected key performance indicators, a motivation tool for the workforce that shouldn't be underestimated. Not only does eLPA offer user-friendliness and convenience for employees in organization and manufacturing, but also for upper management. Via smartphones, they're always up to date at any time, anywhere.
Das neue System, was wir eingeführt haben von der Firma SCIIL.
The new system we've introduced from the SCIIL company, electronic layered process auditing, is characterized by easy handling and excellent functionality. The advantage for me is that the system is accessible online and gives me a clear overview of what happened during the audit. With eLPA, even the report for higher management is child's play. Previously, we had our Excel reporting tool, in which we had to manually enter all the evaluation data so that at the end of the month, we could filter out the percentage points needed to enter in the management tool. Now, with eLPA, thanks to the predefined statistic function, the required percentage points can be generated immediately. Even that can be done more easily. Via software interfaces to the standard management reporting tools, data transfer can be done fully automatically. Only careful preparations produce reliable results. Audits must be meticulously planned, and everyone involved must be informed. It's also important that the audits are conducted on schedule. If not, a reminder must be sent out. Using conventional methods, a time-consuming procedure, but not with eLPA. A mouse click is all it takes. According to a fixed set of rules, the system assigns the planned audits to the available personnel. Although operation is simple, numerous parameters have to be considered. These include layer affiliation and aptitude authorization of the auditor, absence and leave periods, frequency and priority of an audit. If necessary, it's no problem to make changes manually. After the planning data has been approved, the members of staff concerned are automatically informed by email about the audit and the scheduled dates entered into their appointment schedule. The planning tool is always up to date. Color coding provides an optimum overview. Audits marked in red are overdue. A mouse click clearly shows all relevant information relating to the overdue audit. It only takes me a few minutes to draw up a plan. Of course, I have to wait for feedback from the employees in case something has to be rearranged. But it's not as though I have to ring the person to find out whether he has time and whether he can conduct the audit. So it does save a tremendous amount of time. eLPA from SCIIL is an all-encompassing universal tool for cost-effectively and efficiently implementing layered process audits. eLPA simplifies all steps of an audit. Plan. No paper administration of LPA elements. Straightforward, according to defined rules. Automatic calendar invitation and reminder emails. ACT. Simple implementation. Less effort, no manual input of paper audits. Adjust. Optimized input masks for working in teams. Simple action tracking. Check. Generating statistic reports made easy. Web reports. Optional software interface to management reporting tools for automatic data transfer. eLPA from SCIIL is also the right solution for your production process.